The artificial intelligence boom has created one of the largest expansions of computing infrastructure in modern history. At the center is Nvidia, a company that began by building graphics chips for video games. Today, its processors train artificial intelligence models, power data centers, and shape the global race for computing capacity. Nvidia was founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priam. Their original opportunity was three-dimensional graphics, where complex images had to be calculated and displayed in real time. In 1999, Nvidia introduced the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, helping transform computer graphics. A GPU performs many calculations in parallel, making it effective at processing thousands of visual elements at once. But that same parallel architecture could also solve problems far beyond gaming. The decisive move came in 2006, when Nvidia introduced CUDA. CUDA allowed developers to use Nvidia GPUs for general computing rather than graphics alone. Researchers could accelerate scientific simulations, image recognition, and machine learning workloads. In 2012, Nvidia processors powered AlexNet, the neural network that produced a major breakthrough in image recognition. The result demonstrated that large neural networks could improve dramatically when combined with data and accelerated computing. When artificial intelligence demand exploded, Nvidia already had the chips, software, and developer ecosystem required to support it. Its advantage is therefore much larger than a single processor. CUDA, optimized libraries, networking, and development tools form a complete computing platform. A competitor may design a fast chip, but customers may need to rewrite software, retrain engineers, and rebuild infrastructure before switching. That creates technical lock-in and strengthens Nvidia's position. Nvidia also moved beyond selling individual graphics cards. Its DGX systems combine processors, networking, and software into machines built specifically for artificial intelligence. Thousands of GPUs can be connected into large clusters that train and operate increasingly complex models. Cloud providers, governments, and corporations now compete to build what Nvidia calls AI factories. In May 2026, Nvidia reported first quarter fiscal 2027 revenue of $81.6 billion. Data center revenue reached $75.2 billion, showing how far the company had moved beyond gaming. But Nvidia does not manufacture most of its leading chips. It depends on TSMC to turn its designs into silicon, and on companies such as ASML to supply critical manufacturing equipment. It also relies on advanced memory, packaging, networking, data center construction, and enormous amounts of electricity. Nvidia's power, therefore, rests inside a global industrial network with multiple bottlenecks. Export controls can restrict major markets, while shortages in manufacturing, memory, packaging, or power can slow expansion. Nvidia must also defend its position against AMD and custom processors developed by major cloud companies. Yet its deepest advantage may be the years developers have spent building software around CUDA. Nvidia's story is not simply about predicting artificial intelligence. It is about building a platform before the market understood how valuable that platform would become. The company started by helping video games create better images. It became the leading supplier of computing engines for the global AI race. fortune may belong to the company selling the essential tools. Nvidia built the chips, software, and ecosystem before the rush began. And that is today's billion gem.